So what's up, guys? I'm gonna make a underwater sifter to sift out all the dirt when I'm metal detecting, because you don't want a metal one. So, because if you're in zero vis in the mud, you can't really see if you got the metal in there or not. So this way you can kind of move it away, pinpoint it with your metal detector, see if you got it in there. If not, you can scoop it again. So, see how it goes. So it took a while to drill all these holes. It's not the most beautiful thing, but it should, if I put some dirt in there and sift it, it shouldn't get pure metal and rocks and stuff, but should be able to pinpoint if there's metal in here or not. And these holes are small enough where most metal will not get out. So I'm just going to drill a hole right there for a lanyard. It's going to hang. Sweet. That's how you make your homemade sifter, metal detecting sifter.